Hi everybody, Greg Davis here in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at a 305 LXF from Scout. Beautiful boat, great seating. Start at the bow with easy access to your anchor windlass. Very well done, has a shower where you can rinse the chain and the rod off when you come up. Here are your controls. This one does have a sunshade that comes, poles go into here and will cover this whole area. There's a table that goes here, a cooler fish box in the floor. These are actually insulated and drain overboard if you wanted to store extra ice in here. One of the big features of all the Scouts is the great seating in their lounge area. Not only do you have great seating, but you also really have an increased amount of storage. And you can see here, here's your teak table for the bow. Close by, you don't have to go lug it up to the front. And we can walk back through this way and we can see the really nice combing pads, fender pros, recessed cleats. Got a nice powder coated grab rail here. And we'll come to the back here. And this one is set up for fishing also. It's equipped with the twin 300 Yamahas with their joystick piloting. Great big back swim deck here. Back bench seat, which also has your live well in here. Great access in and out of the water here. Fish boxes in the floor, rod storage on the side. This one has just the bait prep area with a sink and also a small pull-out Yeti here, which is nice. It's on a track that you can pull in and out. Gets out of the way very easily. Rod holders here, rocket launchers, LED lights, J&L audio upgrade, speakers here. Love the grab rails here in case it's rough. And we'll give you a quick look at the helm here. So we'll have a quick look at the helm here. Like I said, this one's equipped with the Yamaha new binnacle and their joystick piloting here. The Yamaha gauge, induction phone charger. Scout does use the Garmin product, so you have twin Garmin screens, Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF, plugs in right here, very nice. Great seating here, twin bolster seats. These come down, actually give you a great area to sit on. These flip up, footrest here. And on this side, I'll show you something neat that Scout's done, is a place for your cleaning brushes. So your brushes go hook into here, or a gaff or anything like that. They're out of the way, easy to get to. And we'll have to take a quick look at the head on this one because it does have a nice spacious head. So we'll give you a quick look inside the head here, which has actually got a ton of room. Got a day bed, has a wet sink, even has a shower wand. And you can see the boarding ladder for the swim, for the dive door is also right there. Easy access to the electrical panels and battery switches. We'll give you a quick wrap up of the Scout 305 with twin 300 Yamahas and joystick piloting. If you got any more questions on this boat or any boat that we carry at MarineMax in Savannah, please feel free to give me a call, 912-897-9881. Thank you very much.